Children, let us discuss in detail about the connective tissue. We are knowing that connective means what? Making connection. So, it is the tissue making connection from top to bottom. And it is widely distributed in our body. Most abundant and widely distributed. Like complex animals means all the higher animal. So they are named as connective tissue because of their special function of linking and supporting other tissues, organs of the body. So one question arises in our mind that what make this connective tissue to have the connection from top to bottom. So, dear children, here we will discuss the basic components of the connective tissue. So, first is the matrix and second is the fibers. So, we will discuss in matrix because in cell chapter we have also discussed about the mitochondrial matrix and the cytoplasmic content of the cell. So what does they do? They basically provide the base for attachment of other cell organelles. There we have discussed, but here we will discuss matrix first. So matrix is what? It is a clear and viscous substance. So its consistency may vary from liquid. An example is what? Blood. Semi-solid. Example is cartilage. And solid, that is present in bone. So three form of matrix we have seen here. Now children, one thing strikes in our mind. These three forms of matrix, how it was made. So certainly the answer should be what? Certainly some types of cells are embedded in the matrix. That makes it liquid, semi-solid and solid. So the components, cells embedded in the matrix, we will like to discuss. The first is fibroblast, which produce fibers and matrix. Second is the adipose cell, quite clear with this name, it is the fat cell which stores fat. And very important, the term I am going to tell about, that is plasma. We all know it synthesizes antibodies and it looks like cartwheel cell भी इसको कहते हैं. क्यों? कि it resembles the cartwheel. Next is the mast cell which produces histamine, heparin and serotonin. So these are very important cells that is present in the matrix. Histamine is what? क्या function है इसका? Why it is important? What type of secretion it is? So histamine, the function is what? It is basically does to dilate the wall of blood vessels in inflammatory and allergic reactions. Heparin is what? It checks blood clotting. So it is also told as anticoagulant. And you all know that blood flowing in the blood vessels, they never gets clotted. क्यों? Because due to presence of anticoagulant as heparin. So these are the function of the cells embedded in the matrix. Other various cells are also there, like mesenchymal cells, macrophage cells, wherever you see macrophage, it means they are only to engulf the antigen, might be the cell debris, bacteria, or any type of foreign matter. Some chromatophore cells are also there, that is the pigment cell, are found in the dermis of the skin, which impart what? Color. Reticular, it's also very important. It is basically phagocytic in nature, very protective, and it engulfs the antigen and makes the body immune. Now the second type material that is present in the matrix is the fiber. So three fibers we will be discussing here, and all the three are non-living in nature. First is the collagen, जिसको collagenous fiber कहते हैं. It is white fiber because it is made up of collagen protein. और इसमें क्या होता है, I have told earlier in the example कि when you take the small piece of the collagen fiber and just boil it in water, you will see this collagen जो protein है, it will change immediately into gelatin. Next, elastic fiber, that is the yellow fiber, and it is form of the protein again, that is elastin. Third one, reticular fiber, it's very delicate, branched, and they are made up of again one protein, reticulin. So they all forms a network in the matrix of connective tissue. Now the types of connective tissue. So basically we'll study as the loose connective tissue, two type, and dense connective tissue. So loose is what? Containing areolar tissue and adipose tissue. Areolar means space. So they are present under epithelial tissue of the skin, around visceral organs of stomach, trachea, and the walls of blood vessels. And one thing is very striking here, it is made up of glycoprotein. So it contains two type of fibers, white collagen fibers and yellow elastic fiber. Function is what? It basically fills the gap, because children, every time we are completely unnoticed regarding what is happening in our body. So every time there is damage of cell and tissues, so certainly the space is blanked. So this type of tissue immediately rushes to that place and fills the gap. So this also provide the rapid diffusion of the materials. Is that clear? So these are the various functions. That is why on this basis it is also told as that repairing tissue, because whenever cell is dead, immediately rushes to that area. So what it does? Repair and filling the gaps. Adipose, very clear, that is the fat cell, and its matrix contains large number of adipose cells along with fibrocytes and macrophages. White and yellow fibers are also present in the matrix, and this cell of adipose tissue are specialized to store fats. Function is and what happens, what is filled, how the fat is coming from there. So actually when we take the diet, certainly the balanced diet, nutrients, so what type of food material is not at all utilized by our system cells, then it will be deposited there, and in a very continuous manner if this process is happening, it will cause obesity. And the function is what? It provides warmth to the animal. कैसा animal? Who is living in the extreme condition, temperate condition, torrid zone में जितने भी animals हैं, extreme climatic condition they are facing, so they have the quite dense layering surfacing of this adipose tissue because they are providing warmth. The next type is what? Dense connective tissue. It is quite clear with this name. Dense means aggregation of fibers and fibroblast. So, how the thing will be defined if the question is asked, what do you mean by dense connective tissue? What you will say? It is the aggregation of fibers and fibroblast. So, ये दो का combination वो कहलाएगा dense connective tissue. Now, ये भी दो टाइप का varieties है. It is of two type. First is what? Dense regular connective tissue and other is irregular connective tissue. So it is quite clear with this name. Regular means must be there will be some straight arrangement or arrangement of fibers in one way, one lining or in parallel to each other. तो यहाँ होता भी वैसा ही है because collagen fibers are present here but they are present in rows. किस rows में? वो between many parallelly arranged bundle of fibers. तो जितने भी parallelly arranged fibers हैं उनके बीच में ये लोकेटेड होता है कोलेजन फाइबर्स. बिकॉज इसको क्या करना है? इसको प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करना है और दैट रिजिडिटी भी प्रोवाइड करना है टू द कंसर्न्ड ऑर्गन्स. सो इट इज ऑफ टू टाइप, वाइट फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एंड अदर इज येलो elastic connective tissue. So as soon as we take the name of white fibrous, it strikes in our mind that certainly the protein, because collagenous fiber hai, collagen protein is there, and mainly it is consisting of white fibers. But arrangement kaisa hai? That all white fibers arranged in bundles. और इस बंडल में क्या होता है? फाइब्रोब्लास्ट आर प्रेजेंट इन रोज बिटवीन द बंडल. बिकॉज ये रेगुलर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ टिश्यू है तो इट इज़ द बंडल ऑफ वाइट फाइबर्स और इन विच द फाइब्रोब्लास्ट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन रोज. और वो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? इन बिटवीन द बंडल्स. Certainly it is of two type of what? Making two type of structure. First is the tendon, and how this tendon is formed. So listen children, white fibrous connective tissue, number of times I have used this word. So white fibrous connective tissue, basically you know in one line, white fibrous connective tissue forms the cord-like structure, hard structure. Cord means hard structure और उसको कहते हैं tendons. So ये जो hard structure है tendon का, वो क्या करता है? ये skeletal muscle को bone से join करता है. Very important features. Tendon is that connecting skeletal muscle to bones. और next है that is sheets. Sheets means the plain thing or the plate like structure. तो हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे डेलिकेट स्पेसेस पे, ऑर्गन्स पे, सिस्टम पे कुछ ऐसा भी प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए. सो वी आर नोइंग द वाइट फाइब्रस कनेक्टिंग टिश्यू प्रोटीनस नेचर है और सर्टेनली ये प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करता है. तो जब ये वाइट फाइबर कनेक्टिव टिश्यू ये फ्लैट और प्लेट्स के जैसा शीट्स बनाता है तो ये प्रोटेक्शन सबसे पहले प्रोवाइड करता है. तो ये जो शीट्स है दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वाइट फाइबर्स कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, ये कहाँ कहाँ प्रेजेंट होगा हमारे बॉडी में? डर्मिस. डर्मिस इज व्हाट? द सेकेंड लेयर आफ्टर एपिडर्मिस. और इसी लेयर में स्वेट ग्लैंड भी इंटीग्रेटेड होता है. तो ये कहाँ प्रेजेंट होगा? डर्मिस एरिया में, विच इज जस्ट बिलो द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ द स्किन. और दूसरा क्या है, चूँकि ये हार्डनेस प्रोवाइड करता है तो ये एक बोन का स्ट्रक्चर है, दैट प्लेस है, दैट इज नोन एज पेरिस्टोमियम. तो उसको भी ये लेयर करता है. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग वी ऑल आर नोइंग, हार्ट दैट इज वेरी डेलिकेट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, और हार्ट के कवरिंग को कहते हैं पेरिकार्डियम. तो जब हार्ट डेलिकेट और वेरी प्रेशियस organ है, although the rest are also, but regarding heart it is all covering the structure, that is the layer is pericardium. तो वहाँ भी ये शीट का कवरिंग होता है, सिंगल लेयर ऑफ कवरिंग, so that the heart could be safe by the frictional activity or by the act or the different metabolic system or act of the rest system. So the very important thing is what? This tendon, it has the great strength, but flexibility is what? Very limited. Next is yellow elastic fiber or connective tissue. So certainly quite clear with this name. It might be consisting the yellow elastic fiber, and it is basically consisting of what? Yellow elastic fibers. So this fiber, or you can say aggregation of these fibers, are quite thicker, or when aggregated in nature they certainly provide the dense or thicker structure. And here what happens? Fibroblast and very few white fibers are also found. और वो कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? ये जो बंडल्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, अरेंज होते हैं येलो इलास्टिक फाइबर, उसमें फाइब्रोब्लास्ट और कुछ वाइट फाइबर्स भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं इन बिटवीन द येलो फाइबर्स. तो जो ये येलो फाइबर्स कनेक्टिव टिश्यू है, it is randomly arranged and slightly broader than the white one. It also having the two types, or you can say it makes the two type of structure. First is ligament, that is the how it is formed. So yellow elastic connective tissue forms the cord like structure. Again it is the ligament. So ligament is what? If the question is asked of 1 marks, then it will be the formation of the structure, hardy structure as cord made by yellow elastic connective tissue. And what does is doing? These join bones together. It is the connecting link between bone to bone. Here again it makes also the sheet-like structure as we have discussed in the previous one. Sheets means like plates or the simple surface of the sheets. They are also forming, and for what? Certainly protection, as I told in the white connective tissue. So they are occurring in the walls of blood vessels, around lungs, bronchioles, trachea, vocal cords. So these types of area, they are having the sheets, single layering of sheets, that is made up of a proteinous substance, that is elastin, which is the basic constituent of yellow elastic connective tissue. So this type of tissue, the feature is what? They are having the considerable strength and remarkable elasticity. Strength बहुत ज़्यादा है, hardness they provide a more, and elasticity is very remarkable. So it allows the stretching of various organs. Why this type of nature? Considerable strength and remarkable elasticity, only because it has to allow the stretching of various organs that we have. Now the last, you can say the next, it is the dense irregular connective tissue. Up to this extent we have discussed about the regular, means regular arrangement of fibers, maybe in bundles, but they are arranged in a fixed direction. They have the orientation of aggregation. But here irregular, very clear with this name. So it has fibroblast and many fibers, basically collagen, that is white collagenous fiber. They are having no oriented direction. They are arranged and orientation in different direction, you can say different patterns. They are arranged in a various or different mode of pattern. So where they are present? They are present in the skin. So these are the basic features of the connective tissue, and the function we have discussed one by one in all type or all varieties of connective tissue. It's in its type, in its subtypes. So basically when we recall the connective tissue, we shouldn't forget the name of matrix as well as the fibers. And when we say matrix, it immediately strikes in our mind that what type of cells are embedded in the matrix, so that they will be of three nature: liquid, semi-solid and solid. So I think types of connective tissue, loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue, we have discussed a lot and in quite detail. So we are finishing or ending this topic here, and in next class we are going to discuss about the specialized connective tissue. So specialized means what? Like skeletal tissue in which cartilage, bones are there, and the vascular tissue in which blood, and we will slightly discuss in detail regarding the blood.